Hi, it's Miss Torres. I'm going to go over my Schoology course. I'm doing this again because there was some changes because of the tech issues this week. So you're going to log in. Your courses should show up. If they don't, you can go to courses here and they will show up. You're going to see all your courses. Click on my class, US History/Geography. You can also go by my Bitmoji. That might be helpful. All right, at the beginning of the course or at the top of the course, you should always see a daily agenda. I will be updating these every day around 8 o'clock. So around 8 o'clock, these will be updated. You will be able to click on each agenda item if you so choose. Now, if you notice, they match. So this says week one. So everything on week one is going to have a 1, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. For week two, it'd be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. For week three, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. For week four, 4.1. For week five, 5.1. You get it, right? So every week that should match. If for some reason these links do not work, and sometimes they may not work, sometimes I forgot to link them, something happened, right? You always can go to your week folder. So if it's week one, you're going to go to your week one folder. At the top of the week one folder, there will always be the weekly agenda so that you can see what you're going to be doing. Now, sometimes I will allow you to do assignments ahead of time, and sometimes you will not be able to access the assignment until it's the day of the assignment. It just kind of depends, but you could still see what we're doing. So, for example, this was moved around. This initially was on Wednesday. That's why it's 1.1, but I had to move it. That's why the numbers don't exactly go in order, but normally they would be in order. Now, I'm on the teacher view, so you can see everything. If you were to log on Thursday, you would not be able to see all this. The reason being because we haven't done this yet, and so I have it unpublished. So the only thing you can see is the stuff that I have published. So that's why I'm saying sometimes it'll be available to you, sometimes not. But you can just look. If it's Thursday and you're like, okay, it's Thursday, I'm supposed to do 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. Let me scroll down. Let me look for 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. And then you just click on it. You click on it and it should be good to go. If it is not good to go, you can message me through Schoology or you can send me an email. I will be checking them um, so that I can respond quickly. I do want to emphasize on Tuesdays and on Thursdays, those are asynchronous days, meaning you're doing it independently. Those days, your work needs to be in by 2 p.m. After 2 p.m., you may not be counted for attendance because that's how teachers are checking to see if students are logging on. It's by turning in their work by 2 p.m. Of course, if there's an issue with that, it's almost 2 o'clock and you're almost ready and you need a little bit more time, then you need to send me an email and say, Ms. Torres, I'm working on it. Please don't close it yet. Okay? I think that is it for now. I will talk to you next time.